Y'all ready to have our sleepover?
Yeah.
Andrew, you ready?
Daddy, I jumped off.
Mommy, you ready?
Yep.
Right, yeah, grab your mommy's hand. All right. Look at those two beautiful young ladies right there. And here we are. This is where we're gonna be spending 24 hours tonight. Jump, Andrew. Good job. You jump? You jump too, Andrew? So what kind of bed you gonna sleep in, Raya? Andrew looking at the flags. Oh no, she's going crazy.
We might get a basket. Right?
Yeah, we are getting a basket. Yeah, let's get a basket.
He was walking to the basket.
Ready to get in the basket? You getting in too, Raya? No, Andrew sits right there. Andrew sits in that seat.
You want to have two baskets?
No. Absolutely not. I wouldn't be able to push it and record at the same time. Andrew, stop being cripple-footed, boy. Oh my God, y'all stand up.
Well, the basket kept moving because it's a wiggle basket.
Okay. There we go. All right. Ooh, let's go get some food. Now he gonna smile after all that. All right. So we're gonna go into IKEA. You can't push it. Oh my God! Look at Andrea struggle with the basket. Let's watch this. Let's watch this adventure. Oh my gosh! You doing okay? You got it? Okay. I don't know. That look like you. Hey, going in crooked. Okay. All right. Well, we're going in, guys, and we'll catch back up with you soon as we pick out our beds. Do y'all want to choose this for y'all's or to sleep over here?
Yeah.
That's where y'all want to spend the night?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's go look around some more and see, okay?
Put my hands up here.
He was like, no. You like keep pushing. All right.
Thanks, Dad. Wait,
Hello. This is the cooking show with Andrea Roberson.
Okay, so today I have some cabbage.
Yes.
I'm making here.
Yes.
You see, it's getting done, so don't worry about that.
Oh.
Right here we have some roasted potatoes. I've just taken out of the oven. This is an all-purpose pot, so it
Okay.
can be in the oven or on top of the stove.
Okay.
It goes either way. And
Okay.
here I'm not. Oh, wait a minute. Let me tell you.
Okay.
This pot is awesome because it has the cups on the side.
Oh, so you can measure. Awesome. No. She's doing
the graduated.
Yeah, the graduated side.
Yeah. We're like, oh, this is amazing. Cups on the side.
Helps out, right?
Yep. Ooh, look. Here's the recipe.
Recipe
right
book. Is this what you're cooking
That
right
looks
now?
gross. Nope.
No, that's not what you're cooking.
Can't do
Okay.
that, can't do that. This is like.
Is this pot by itself $24?
Don't worry about that.
Don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay. It's about it's about quality.
Is this what you're cooking? That looks pretty good. That's lobster tail from Norway.
Is it? Is
Tails
that how they look in,
fried and buttered and served with grated
is
horseradish.
That how they look in Norway? That's not how they look in Dallas.
It's not.
No.
But we don't have fresh lobster either.
You're right.
All right, vámonos. Say vámonos. Andrew, say vámonos. There you go.
All right.
Okay, guys, so this is what we're eating. The kids' food is on the bottom shelf. Andrea's getting them some ketchup right now. Down there. Oh, darn. Meatball look like it's about to fall off. Have to take our time going down that slope. I don't want to waste everything. That'd be embarrassing. There's no other table. Oh, she's cleaning down. Okay, guys. So we're about to sit down and get our eat on. We can go over there, babe. We're about to sit down and get our eat on, and then we'll get back with you guys. Is it good, my man? Yeah. Look at you. You ate up all your food. Good job, Andrew. Give me 5. You eating that food up, boy. So I don't need no hot chair. I'm a big boy. There you go. Yeah. You want some water? Hold on. It's enough? Oh, okay. Go ahead and eat. Alright, good job. Did they make it to the restroom? Raya had to go to the restroom really bad, y'all. Mommy had to run to the restroom. But the way things are looking, they made it. Y'all made it.
Yeah.
Good. Good job, Raya. Way to hold it. Like a big girl. Andrew's doing good over here eating his food. All his mashed potatoes are almost gone. He got like 1 more or 2 more scoops. Okay, that made it 3, but I'm gonna make it 2 for you. 1, I mean. Oh, no, we don't want to drop that. Well, you would have been sad. Good job, Andrew. Woo. About to eat your chicken? Get some ketchup if you want some ketchup. Oh yeah, you eating yours? You made it to the potty? Give everybody a thumbs up. Say, I did it. Yeah. Mommy, I saw you running. You did a good job. you look like the mom that was in panic. Like, oh my gosh, we know what this is. She said she couldn't? Oh God.
I said, don't pee on me.
The thing was that she had opened up her legs. She had it crossed at first, and then when she wrapped them around, y'all saw that she was about to lose control. I said, oh Lord. I said, no, close them back. Close them back. I was like, please close them back. But she kept them wrapped. I was like, crap. This is about to be all bad. But it turned out all good. I'm proud. Little victories that count. Add up to big ones. So in a little while, you're not gonna need nothing. Be strong.
It's gonna be a great summer for us.
Yep, a great summer.
Daddy, you heard
What you say? Look at you. You almost finished with both of your chicken nuggets. Good job. Somebody trying to get some chocolate cake. Said somebody trying to get some chocolate cake. I know.
Yay!
Yeah.
Put it in the box.
Yeah, it's all good.
Don't force yourself.
You know how kids are with chocolate.
Yeah, so we just have to give her a little so she
Ooh,
won't get
Andrew.
issues.
You gonna beat Rael? Who's gonna eat the most? Who's gonna eat the most? Oh gosh, Andrew, are you gonna eat the most? Okay. Going for the ketchup? Not sure. All right, you got your little ketchup. There you go.
I thought I might come to her field trip on Thursday.
On Thursday? Okay.
Mommy's gonna go on my field trip.
She might, depending on if she's asleep or not.
I might meet her there. Tomorrow I'm gonna do my homework.
What homework? For school? Y'all started back?
Yep. Yesterday.
Is it good, Andrew? You like the ketchup? Rael devouring hers. Alright. Looks like I might be going to get some cake.
You don't have to eat it all. You save some for
Oh, you're not
tomorrow.
gonna eat it all. You're gonna get some of it, okay? You and Andrew, y'all gonna share it. And then tomorrow you'll have some more.
Once you eat your meal.
Once you eat your food. Yeah, so we just put it in the refrigerator. Meal. You want some water?
Great choice. All this in here for less than $10.
You want some more? You said what?
It says a great choice. All this in for less than $10.
Less than $10, yeah.
That's all real food.
Yep. All right, guys. So we'll be back once we get the chocolate cake, okay? Okay, guys, we're about to go get Rael and Andrew's cake. How you doing? No. Yeah, we about to get Rael and Andrew's cake, people. Oh my gosh. Does it look really delicious? Yes, it does. We're gonna go ahead and treat them for eating all their food. So they ate all their food, so now it's time for a nice piece of chocolate cake. Let's see, where's the forks? We're gonna get them 2 forks and they can share it. And then we're gonna be off to find our place to sleep. All right, so we'll see you back at the table.
Oh, sorry, stop shoving me. Sorry.
$7.
For that?
Huh?
I said so. It was the time for the cake now.
Yeah, for the kids, yeah. They ate all their food. They usually don't, so.
They're like, I want that cake.
Yeah, exactly. I said, y'all eat all y'all food. We're trying to get them on real food now. That's the problem. You know, they struggle.
So, are you on a diet, you said?
I am.
Good.
Yeah, so I can't partake in this youth, but it's all right.
Are you doing like no carbs?
Yeah.
Are you watching
Have you heard of
calories?
Soda Weight Loss Center? They're in Arlington. There are a few places, but basically no sugar, no carbs. You know,
I was talking to a good friend and he was like, did you know that said that breakfast is the most important meal, but it's not. It's not the most important
Yeah.
meal. You don't have to even eat.
yeah, you don't.
And then like this, and then he was like, you eat a lot of food in the morning, but what causes that is that your blood sugar goes up too early.
Spikes too early.
Yeah, so it's like,
Yeah.
so I stopped eating breakfast.
You're like, it was my favorite meal, but it's like, whatever. I don't need
No,
it.
actually, my favorite meal is lunch.
Lunch? Oh, really?
Yeah, lunch, yeah.
I love dinner. Oh my God.
Really?
Yeah, and I'm weird because I would eat breakfast for dinner, but I like throw a steak in for the meat instead of bacon or something. So
No,
yeah.
like for dinner, I like eating like pineapple or papaya or cucumber.
Oh really?
like
So you just go
salad.
straight
Yeah.
fruit,
Yeah.
and that's all the sugar. Oh God,
I mean, I
yeah.
know like the pineapple's not really bad because it's acid.
Yeah, it got a lot of
And
acid.
then the papaya is really good as well. And then well, cucumber, it's just water.
Well, yeah,
basically.
cucumber is, yeah, it's
and
good
then
full of
I heard
water.
Also, that fruit, what's it called? It's like orange. Looks like a melon. What's
Like the cantaloupe.
Yeah, I heard it's
Yeah.
really good.
Oh really?
Yeah, 'cause it's not sugar, it's water. It's water.
I
It's
hate
like-
cantaloupe. Oh my God! Ever since I was little, it looked so good. And every time I try to bite into it, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it this time. I'm just a little chicken, man. But like with my fruit, I love to put lemon juice or lime juice with it. Oh my God, it's great. Especially with my watermelon.
Yeah.
All right, you have a good one. Okay, guys, so here we go. Ooh, just a giant cake. Oh my God. Andrew, you want some cake? Yeah. All right.
Me too.
Cake. Raya, you want some cake?
Yeah.
Awesome. There's your chicken up. Yeah. I got y'all both some cake. All right, here we go. What y'all supposed to say? What? What are you supposed to say? Show all the. No, what are you supposed to say? Tell the kids what you're supposed to say.
Thank you.
Yeah. What you supposed to say, Andrew?
Okay.
Okay. I think that's what you said. All right. Mommy, are you gonna eat some?
No.
You're not gonna have any? Okay. Here we go. We about to give the kids their food. Okay, guys, they're about to close, so we gotta hurry up and find somewhere to go sleep. Okay? You ready to go find somewhere to sleep, Andrew? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, we gotta go find somewhere to sleep.
Yeah, we have to.
So where we gonna go?
The bed.
To the beds?
Yes.
Awesome. Do you know which one you're gonna pick?
Yes.
Which one?
I got the animals.
You like the animals?
Yes.
Which animal is your favorite? Huh?
I like to touch them like this.
What do you do? Oh. Oh, look at this one, Rael. Do you like this one? Is this where you want to spend the night? Huh? No, not that one. Okay, what about this one? You want to spend the night in this one? No, not this one. Okay, what about this one? No? Okay, let's go see if we can find some other beds. What about this one? No, not this one either? Okay. What about this one? No. What about this one? No? This one? No, not this one either? Does Andrew want to sleep in any of these beds? Andrew, you want to sleep in this bed? You want to sleep in that bed? Okay, that's Andrew's bed. Andrew, go night-night. Come on.
In here? He'll.
You don't like this bed? Come on, Andrew. Come here. You like this bed? Night-night. Say night-night, Andrew. All right, lay down, Andrew. Everybody back up. Lay down, Andrew. Say night-night. Okay. Andrew is all asleep. Come on. Come on.
Take the bed.
You want to sleep in the crib? Yeah. No? You want to sleep in the crib? Come on. You want to sleep in this bed?
Yes.
Oh man, this is gonna be my bed. Okay, go ahead. Get in your bed. Where you wanna go up top? You wanna sleep up here? Okay, let's go up top. Climb in your bed. Alright, night night, Rael. Love you. Sleep tight. Okay, so see you tomorrow, you two. Okay. Alright, so this Rael's gonna sleep on top and I'm gonna sleep underneath. Alright. Back up, Rael. You're supposed to be asleep. You can't talk. Okay, guys. Whew. Night night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bug bite.
Okay.
I got a night light. Bye bye. Hey, mommy. Are you gonna get in the crib? No? Oh, this is your bed, mommy? Okay, look at mommy's bed. Oh, yeah. Mommy kicked off her shoes. Oh, she got her blankie. All right, mommy. Night night, mommy. Okay, YouTube says they love you. All right. Yeah. Run. Hurry up. Go to the tube. Come on. Come here. Over here. Over here. Yeah, hurry up. Obstacle course. No, right here. Not the bus. This one. Go, go. Climb in. Right here. Yeah, right there. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Look at the little silly goose. Come out. Oh, hurry up. Hurry up. Come around. Hurry. Run, 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 run. Go into the bus and sing the wheels on the bus. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Woo, you ready? Come on, bus driver. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. All right, let's go. Whew, we made it to our stop. Somewhat. Oh yeah, for sure. Hey, what is this? The E is for elephant. What sound does the elephant make? What sound? Rael? What sound does it make? Andrew, what sound does the elephant make? Say, Andrew said, What sound does the dog make? And what sound does the dog make? What letter? D? There you go. Andrew, you beating up the tiger? What's this? Shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Snake. What sounds does snake make? Oh, the scary snake. Oh no!
It's a puppet.
Andrew is fighting the snake. Oh, it is a puppet. It's a puppet. Hey everyone, my name is Snakey. I will bite you, eat your head. Oh my god. Snakey, Snakey, Snakey. Snakey. Ooh, that's a big snake. That's a big snake. My snake is bigger than yours.
Now you tell us to go home.
Oh, we gotta go home, everybody. I beat your snake. All right, guys. Let's roll, gang. Oh, did we leave the food? Okay. Ooh, mommy is good in the fish. Come on, Rara. Skirt, skirt. She did. Skirt, skirt. Andrew.
He said quietly.
We gotta go that way, babe. You're going the wrong way, dude. We get there. We get to the. Whoa. All right, so that was so much fun. That was a long night. Oh gosh. All right, so it's just, as you can see, the sun is just coming out, and we're about to go home and try to finish taking showers and getting ready for school, okay? Yeah, all right, guys. Woo. We're going to go get some more rest. We'll see y'all tomorrow on the next video, but first, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to be a member of the Ryan Drews Club. Yeah. All right, so tell them bye-bye. Andrew, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, Mommy. Have a good day.
If you want to be a part of Ryan Drews Club, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Oh yeah, and the notification button. See you soon. Bye.